Hi guys, I put this wind-up robot together the other day, and before I'd even finished building it, I realised that the motor was going to be no use whatsoever. The shaft on this, I'll call it the key, winding it up, is slipping in the gear inside, so it's not actually winding it up at all, it's just turning. And I did say we'd take it apart again and see if we could fix it. I have had this problem before, and the easiest fix was to swap the motor out for one that worked. Because once you get it apart, there really isn't much you can do to it. But we'll have a look. We'll take it apart. Come on, don't be awkward. There we go. Take these apart just so I don't break them. All right. Okay. That's going to have to pop out this way. Right. Yes, I'm turning that. Nothing is happening at all. So it's slipping inside the gear. The main question is whether I'll be able to do anything to actually repair it. I think these just clip apart. It's beginning to move. There we go. I'm actually filming this quite wide angle, but hopefully I'll be able to zoom in editing. Just checking I can remember where the bits go. Yeah. This is the bit that's actually slipping. So it's on a knurled section of the shaft, or should be. We can see that. Hopefully when I zoom in editing, we'll be able to see that. And that should be gripping on there, but it's not. I can turn it. Now, I could try putting some super glue on it or something. Or I could try nicking it with my cutters to make the knurling deeper so it digs in more. Alright. Is that going to focus? Probably not. So the theory is that will actually dig into the plastic a bit more. And give it a bit more grip. Now, can I remember how to put it back together? Right, more or less worked out where the bits go. I have actually realised it's still going to fail. So let's just take it out again and show you why it's going to fail. Where's the pointy thing? Right, we have a split just there, which again I'm going to have to zoom in on editing so you can see it. So that's why that's loose. That piece is actually split. It probably looks worse now because I've enlarged the shaft by crimping it a bit with the cutters. But that's what the problem is. That is split, so it's got no strength. But we'll try and put the bits back in. We've got a little one in there. Just about see it. And this piece in that direction, with that little gear sitting on top of it. And then we push this cover back in place. So that gear meshes with it. And then these have got to go through, but they can't go through before that goes back on, because the gear on the bottom of there goes onto there. Right. I think that's the right sequence. I'm winding it up, but it's not unwinding. Yes, it is. I'm just not winding it enough. No, that slipped off the... Push it on a little bit further. No, that's it. That slipped off the extra bit of knurling that I put on there. Pushed it too far now. Nah, it's not going to work. Not with that split. I can't think of what that piece is actually called. It's a ratchet effect. But just out of interest, This is another one that I had exactly the same problem with. Actually appears to work. But it doesn't when you actually put it in this case, robot. So that's a shame. What I could do is what I did with that one, which is take the motor out of another one, just so we can get it working. So I'll pinch the motor out of this one. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.